we got another hurricane coming. I don't know what they named this one, but as you can see, it's pretty nasty. See all the flags. It's all messed up. But I'm surprised it's still there. The worst of the hurricane is coming this midnight tonight, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, it looks like it's blowing south, judging by the flags. But yeah, you can see the end of the flags are all ripped and stuff. Yeah, so got pretty windy. So, but the good news is we got new birds from Richard Gorn with the 4 flights Loft. Yeah, nice. I'm gonna unbox the birds, and it's very seldom that I have to shut that door, so it doesn't work very well. But anyways, I'm gonna unbox the bird and show you guys what I have. So, but first I'm gonna clean up this mess on my table. So it's kind of nice and cozy in here, you know. It's kind of nice to hang out here when the weather is crappy. But anyways, yeah, birds haven't been flying too much. I let them out yesterday was the last time I let them out because it's too windy, although they can handle it. I mean, I could let them out right now and they'll be just fine. I know some people are freaked out about that. They could get lost in the wind. I know these guys, they can handle it really not. So anyways, hey guys, I have not opened this box yet, so we're all seeing these birds for the first time together. If I can figure out. Open this stupid thing. Ooh, really nice. You want a peek, Melly? Ooh, stinky.
Oh, beautiful. Very nice.
Gordon, you gotta put more grass in here. Okay, so first one. So I asked, this is part of the project, Millie. Blue bar, like powder blue bars. Oh, good. We'll show you the pedigree later. Look at that.
Pretty. That's a nice helmet.
This is the band number is 8027.
It's a hen.
Yeah, I believe so. It's an IF band. I think this is the hen that took 4th place. I think he called it Coco Special. Wow, pretty strong. It's molting a little bit, so. Yeah, it's nice. It's very nice. The 9th flight is still coming out, but it looks like that 7, 8, or 8, 9, 10th flight probably gonna be all the same length. I like that. And then there's a step up between 6 and 7. You can see. I'm gonna hold it. Is it?
Is that a girl?
Yeah. This is probably all related to these guys. See, they all look alike. Because they're all from Brian Lewis. So it's got an IF band. So it took 4th place in a 400-mile race.
Very nice.
4th place, 400 miles. I'm pretty sure it's this one. The pedigree's in there. We'll look at it later. See, it looks just like that one right there.
Yeah.
We'll show you. And the tail's all messed up from. Renee?
Those are hens?
Yeah. No, one's a cockbird.
Oh, that's okay.
This is the ARPU 2022 bird 6567. These all have pedigrees. You know, we'll take a look at him. This guy's a little beat up from, I think, he got pecked in the box. Oh, look at that. She's so alert.
Cheers.
Powder blue.
Very nice.
It's a little smoky blue a little bit. That's okay. It still needs powder. Wants to fly. It's a smaller. And then I think this one is this one's the top. This is the one that
Oh yeah, that's
STL
65, 67.
824. Yeah, this is the one that he didn't want to let go, but he ended up selling it anyways.
You made it enticing.
So it's got two bands. Well, this is a 2021 bird, but it has two bands. He was talking about this.
It's got two hands.
I don't know, some people just want to, but it's pretty strong.
It's very strong. It's very alert too.
Very good, nice looking bird. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in there. Everything's locked up here because of the hurricane, but yeah. They smell fresh blood. These are all the cockbirds. These are all gonna be my 2023 breeders, minus the colored ones. Those will be, this is my little project. I want all the birds for 2023, my racing, to be powder blue bar or with white flights. White flights would be better, but I'll take powder blue. That's why you see, that's got a white flight, that's got a white flight, that's Ricardo, got a white flight, and then the rest, that guy.
You want to shoot the windows? No?
Oh, it's windy out now. It's windy. I'm not taping you. 'Cause-
You're not.
well, you said you didn't want to. Look at the wind, guys. It's so windy. But anyways, yeah, this is my little project for next year. Powder blue bars with white flights. I made an exception for that one right there, the checkered one, because it has good pedigree. That also came from Richard Gorn. But the white ones, you know, everybody else is gonna be pumpers. So once the race season is over, all these colored birds, the non-blue bar, they're all gonna be transferred over to the pumper area. And then all I'm gonna have are blue bars, powdered blue bars, like these guys with white flights. Why? No good reason why. I just like them that way. Because I like the powder blue. I figure I'm in here all the time. I enjoy watching the birds, and I might as well watch a color that I liked, right? So that's it. But I'll get the performance out of them too. That's why I bought birds with pedigree. So all of these guys have pedigrees. I mean, most of them. That's the class bird, and then the rest all have pedigrees. That's a Brian Lewis bird. Didn't come from him, but it came. It's a baby from Brian Lewis. And then that cock bird right there is a Wolverine Baldwin Tilson combination that I bought from Richard Gorn, 4 flights. That guy right there is my 250-mile winner, along with his brother. They were equal first. And then there's my Alphonse class, direct from Alphonse class. And then there's Brian Lewis Jansen bird. I think it's a full Jansen, but sorry, the floor is kind of dirty. But here's a new one that I just got. So yeah, he looks really good. I like him a lot. And then on the hen side, probably some of these guys are going bye-bye because there's too many of them. But that one's staying. Brian Lewis Jansen. That one's from one of our club members. It's a Sujin. That one is the one on the window sill is from Richard Gorn. I heard the full nest mate to that was a prize winner. I saw an auction of that bird that went for $1,100. And then there's a new hen that I got. So as you can see, I'm well on my way to hopefully accomplishing my project here of having all powder blue bars next year. The rest are gonna be for pumping. Beautiful birds, guys. All these, or actually probably 90% of these guys have good pedigree, good background. They almost look like crud a little bit. It's molting. It's not like a late molt. You got the neck, it's all missing feathers, but yeah. I got Lucy right there, which I'm not using anymore for just for a simple reason. That's just not a powder blue. So if anyone's interested in Lucy, I'll let her go for $50. So you pay the box and shipping. She's a nice bird. Produced me really good flyers. But like I said, my project this year for next year is gonna be blue bars, powder blue with white flights if I could. There's blueberry up there. She's a very nice powder blue. This is a Sujin. That one is my wife's. That was given to her from Tony Mendez. That's a Sujin. So probably use it for pumping. No offense, not that it's a bad bird, but I have a project that I want to accomplish this season. So white bird. I think I'll breed a couple rounds of whites. That one's from Greg McFarland, club member, club mate. So I want to give it a shot, see how well it does, how well the siblings or the babies do. Let's see what else. There's a new bird. I believe that's the one that's from Brian Lewis, 4th place winner, 400 some miles. So, and looking at it, I can tell it's related to that bird right there. That's also from Brian Lewis, and it's also related to that hen right in the middle there. So with the that I got tell. They all kind of look alike. All Jansens. Those 3 are all pure Jansen. So So yeah. So with the hurricane coming and Veterans Day, I have off. I'll probably spend some time building more breeding boxes. I think I'll get rid of all these perches here and then just put 3 more right there, 3 more nest boxes, and then yeah, I think I'll do the same thing on this side. I'll put 3 more right there, but I haven't quite, you know. The problem with this windows is that it takes up so much space. So I know most people, what they do is they put them on this end, right, so that they can efficiently use the wall space. But I really like having my own space as well. You know, this is where I enjoy watching the birds and stuff. Because if I put the boxes here, that means I'm gonna have to put a hallway somewhere over there, and you know, and then have to give the birds access to it so they can go out to the aviary. But then there's gonna be poop that I gotta step on or clean up. But I mean, as you can see, this is such a nice hallway. You know, people can come in here and watch the birds. Oh, by the way, yeah, that's my new addition. I'm still working on it. Putting laminate flooring here. You know, it's non-slip. Looks really nice. Except there's so many feathers. Oh, great, it's raining. All right, well, I'm trapped here in Pigeon Loft until this rain goes away. See, as you can see, I'm still kind of finishing this up. But it's gonna look really sharp, and I'm gonna get rid of this stack here. I'm gonna make it look more like this. That way they're all uniform. You know, I want things to look uniform. You know, kind of like on this side here. See, it looks beautiful. Look at that. 3. So, yeah, it looks really nice. So anyways, guys, it's blowing pretty hard out there, so kind of freaking me out right now. So I'm gonna go back in the house and oh, actually I gotta shut that window yet. So let me take care of that, and then we'll take a look at the pedigree when I get in the house. Okay, this is exciting because it's hurricane night and I'm stuck in the house and looking at pigeon pedigree. Yeah. So, first one, 6567. That's the 2022 hen, Melly. It's a Wolverine, Ornat, and Class. So it's got Alphonse Glass in it. Full sibling is currently at the Golden Valley late hatch 1 Loft race. But anyways, let's take a look at the background here. I'm not gonna read them out, but you guys can just kind of take a look at it. So, you know, I just lock in on some of these names. Wolverine, Golden Nugget. That's where they...
It's like that cocoa thing.
Yeah, they name these birds. Son of Ornat, Ado's Pick, Battle. Okay, alright. So, there we go. Pretty good background. And then here's the... oh, wait, this is the old one that I think he updated. Okay, so here's the 2021 cockbird. Let's see here. Like I said, I'll just have you guys take a look at it. Koopman, Gabby, I can never pronounce that name. Vandenabili, whatever. So it's Gabby. Herbruck. Right now, sorry, I'm not try not to make fun of these names. I'm sure people make fun of my name too. Herbruck. Anyway, right there, Sharky, IKEA. I'm sure, yeah, I'm sure it's not the furniture company, but anyways. Whoa, sold for 250,000. This bird's ancestors sold for 250,000. That's kind of cool. And then here's the cockbird, fourth place. Oh, it is the hen. Fourth place winner at 453 miles. This is that Jansen from I think Brian Lewis. Yeah, the breeder's Brian Lewis. So this is the Coco Special. Let me tell you about the background on Coco Special. Never mind, I won't tell you. I don't want to put Richard on the spot, but so no, I'm not. This is what happens to pigeons that don't perform in the house around here. Yeah, right? Which one is that? Is that the class hen that the offspring of the class hen that we shipped to Richard?
It's the sibling.
Oh, it's the sib. Yeah.
Our pigeons do not have this one.
Yeah, that's anyways. Yeah, that's what we do with the pigeons that don't do anything. I am of course kidding. Those are chickens that my wife is tenderizing. All right,
Chicken
next.
curry night.
Yeah, it's chicken curry night.
Night is chicken curry night.
So here's the nestmate to Scorpion, son of the freak from McLaughlin Loft, I'm assuming. Frankie. Yeah, so I'm just gonna ask, you guys can read it. Anyways, I mean, I see key names in there, but you know, comes down to how they perform for us here, right? So they don't perform, they get tenderized in this house. So it doesn't matter what the pedigree is. If they don't do anything, then they're useless. That's just the, you know, I mean, you know, it's just the reality of things. So none of these birds do anything for me in a couple of years. Yeah, they're gonna be
On the road.
sold. I'm kidding. Well, yes and no. All right, guys, that's all I got. So God bless you.